Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a complete knee assembly on a 2014 Q60 Infiniti. Also the all-wheel drive Coupe G37s should be the same thing. So over here, you can see our new one. I'll show you which bolts are what sizes. As you can see, the car was in a little accident, side swipe, so we got some back control arms. So you go into here, you got the first control arm. Overall, almost all the bolts are 17. You got one right here. Got another bolt in there. Got one more bolt in there. Focus this, there we go. Then you got your strut bolt, that's 17 as well. And then the spring arm, you got another 17 right over there. And then the axle bolt is a 32 if you're gonna leave the axle, but if you're gonna replace the inside ones, I believe it is a 15. I will confirm right now. Nope. Sorry, that is a 14. Overall, here it is, how it looks when it's out. There's one bolt here, another one here, one right here, another one here. And you got 6 14mm bolts there. And then another, that's where the strut goes, and you'll be able to drop the whole assembly. And then you got your emergency brake line, which I'll show you later, guys, underneath where that goes. And also your hard line, which is right here. Pretty simple. This is how it'll look once you got the full knee out. As you can see, one of the control arms go here, the other one down there, the shock one, the other Y one goes from here, last one, and then the axle's right here. I decided to leave it because this axle's in better shape than the knee I got. As you can see, this is the new one. It was completely seized up, ended up destroying the whole front end, just getting it out. And then here's the knee I just took out. Not too bad. The hardest one is getting in here, but still doable.